Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a beautiful 3-bedroom detached property. This is Oxford Lifestyle from Redrow Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This Oxford Lifestyle is one of their popular models, and here in this particular location the prices are much cheaper compared to other locations. They also have another 4-bed detached property with the same name, Oxford. This is located at Chester near to Wales, and the development site is called as Redrow Millstone. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a garage, lounge, kitchen with dining, utility and a clock room. On the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with all the bedrooms having the ensuite facilities. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the upstairs and also living, kitchen with dining. So first let's explore the living room. Beautiful living room with good style and comfort. The design and architecture of this Redrow properties is slightly different. If you observe, every room has got its own different shape, which makes it look different from other properties. I really like the double height bay windows which are coming in the front, and also the boxes which they gave in between. It looks really beautiful. So very good amount of light falling in the living room, and the ventilation also is really good. The interiors done in this room are very simple, but because of the structure of the room, it looks very beautiful. Overall, a decent living room. Now let's move to the other rooms of the property. So just as you come out of this living room, opposite to this you'll find the small storage space. This has got a door and lock again. Now from here, let's move towards the kitchen with dining. So the kitchen and dining are coming just ahead at the back. Very beautiful, and again a comfortable kitchen and dining space. The kitchen has got its own comfortable space with a window coming towards the cooking side with all the modern facilities fitted in, and in between they gave the dining space, and towards the other end you also have the family area. Now again, it's totally up to you how you arrange everything. If it was me, I would have planned this dining table towards the other end. I really don't like to have the dining table in middle like this because it blocks the space, but for a show home it's alright. Now in the kitchen you'll be getting all these cupboards, exhaust, gas hob, and also this integrated fridge freezer oven included in the basic items. The space is really good. 2 to 3 people can comfortably stand and enjoy the cooking together. Now another most interesting part about this property and also some of the other Redrow properties is they're giving you this extended French door access towards the garden. These are really wide doors here. Plenty of natural light falling in the kitchen and also the backside area. It makes it look more beautiful and lively. Now behind this dining space you're getting a small utility. Again, there are few cupboards given at the bottom wherein you can plan your washing machine and dryer. There's also another wash basin coming here in this utility. You also have the garden access through a door here. And from this utility again there is a way towards the clock room in the ground floor. It's a decent washroom here. You have the water closet, sink, and there's also a window coming towards one side. And this is the door here from the utility towards the garden. Overall, a really beautiful kitchen with dining space. I really like this area a lot. Now before moving to upstairs, let's check out another small storage space here just beside this kitchen. This has got a door and lock again. You can plan some kind of storage here. Now moving towards the first floor. As I told you, on the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with all the bedrooms having the ensuite facilities. So this is the beautiful master bedroom. Now the master bedrooms will always be slightly bigger than the rest of the bedrooms, but this is bigger than the regular bedrooms which I've seen so far. Very comfortable and spacious, and again the most attractive part is the double height bay windows. The similar windows we have seen even in the living room, so this bedroom is coming just on top of that living room. So it's got a very good space. As you can see, a king size bed can fit in, and there's nice space to walk around. You can plan a dressing table towards one side, and if you want, you can also plan a sofa towards the other side. These windows are very attractive, with the small boxes coming in between, and the front view through these windows is really amazing. So very good amount of natural light is falling in the room, and the ventilation is really good. Now from this bedroom you have this extended dressing room which has got the wardrobe sections on both the sides. So plenty of wardrobe space here on both the sides, which is really good. Now from this dressing space, moving towards the ensuite. It's a nice comfortable bathroom here. You have the shower cubicle which is quite spacious. Again there's a sink, and also you're getting a tub as well. And you're getting a nice window towards one side. So again plenty of natural light falling even in the bathroom. This is a fully tiled bathroom, but again because you're getting a tub towards the other side, the door is not going towards the end. It's kind of like blocking in between. But otherwise the space is really good. Overall a decent bathroom. Overall, a stylish master bedroom with very good ensuite facilities. Now let's check out other rooms of the property. So just as you come out of this master bedroom, towards one side you have another small room with door and lock, and this has got the water heater in it. Now just opposite to this you have another small storage space with the door and lock. Here if you want you can hang something. Now let's move to the second bedroom of the house. As I told you, all the 3 bedrooms have got the ensuite facilities here. So this is the second bedroom. It's a double bedroom. The space is quite okay, but compared to the master bedroom it's smaller. Even after having the double cot bed, you have really good room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting nice windows, so plenty of light falling in the room. Now they gave the wardrobes towards the other side, and if you observe them, they're designed in a decent way. It's not taking the extra room space, it's going inside the wall, which is really good. In most of the Redrow properties, you actually get a curvy structure, a curve cut in some of the rooms, which you can find in this particular bedroom here. Now this is the attached ensuite which is coming with this bedroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a shower cubicle. You also get a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light and very good ventilation even in this bathroom. Planning a door properly in the bathroom is really important, otherwise it disturbs the bathroom space. Even when it's open, you should be able to have a good view of the bathroom. Only then we can say that it's planned well. Overall, a decent second bedroom. Now let's move towards the third bedroom of the house. So this is the beautiful third bedroom. Again, this is a double bedroom. When you actually look at it, it looks slightly bigger than the second bedroom because of its rectangular shape. Towards one side, you're getting these beautiful box windows, so plenty of light falling in the bedroom. And towards the other side, they actually planned the wardrobes. And towards the opposite side, you're getting the ensuite. So these are the wardrobes given. Now some of them are included in the property. You need to check with them. The space is quite okay. Now let's check out the ensuite. As I told you, this is coming in the front. The space is okay in this ensuite. You have the sink, water closet and the walk-in shower. There's also a window coming towards the front end. So this was all for today. I felt this was a really beautiful property, especially the rooms in the ground floor, the living room, kitchen and everything were really beautiful, and the master bedroom was outstanding with its space and also the window structure, everything. And all the three bedrooms you're getting this ensuite, so for kids and elders, if you have in the family or if you have any guest, it will be really comfortable. Overall, a very decent property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.